So I just want to share where I'm at right now. The lighting should fix itself soon. So, out among the trees, I was waiting for some space here, alone. And when you soften the gaze on nature, you can see its aura. Looking at any particular tree or particular body of water, part of sky. When you see it all at once, there's a energy field that becomes very obvious. So look for that in nature. Gifted with these organs called eyes, and there's no reason to shut away the beauty of this space while being in a seated position, feeling the ground underneath you, activating your breath. It's easy to take my eyes off the camera. But I can be with you as well. And talk about breath and connection to nature. See if you can breathe wider into it. You open your solar plexus and your heart. And you can become much more receptive by relaxing the shoulders back. And feeling the ground below. Auditorially, you can tune in to not just the sounds of the birds and the insects, or even the drops of humidity that falls onto the wood and into the water below. There's a highway nearby. You can hear the rumble or the hum of the constant traffic. Sometimes you can hear something bump on a road. You can even hear in the sky the airplane traffic. Connect that with the sound of your breath inside of you. This place is like a church. This is a prayer. Just bringing your presence and your awareness to nature. Stopping for a moment away from all the distractions on the internet, the quickly edited videos that you're used to on YouTube. won't make cuts in my video because there's so much depth in the silence between the words. And that is what I would invite you to listen for. As I talk about meditation, as I talk about connecting to presence, as I speak to awareness of the world we're in. I want everybody to practice this so you don't miss out while you're alive. Take what you can hear from this video and put it into your daily life. You can also subscribe and like to see more of these videos. I will be producing a total of 30 as I get a hang of this medium. So please like and subscribe. I'll see you again tomorrow.